Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the clipboard error in Microsoft Excel. So while you are on your Microsoft Excel and it states there was a problem with the clipboard, this occurs when you are trying to copy content from the spreadsheet. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process or the fixes. First is we need to close any instances or completely close the Excel instances in the Task Manager. But before we can do that, you need to save all your documents or all your spreadsheets in the Microsoft Excel. You just have to simply click on the save icon from here. And once done, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Task Manager. Best match, go ahead and click on that, maximize it. Then here, simply search for Excel. So all the instances of Excel will appear from here. Now what you can do, make a right click and then select End Task. So this is how you can close any instances of Excel or any application here in the Task Manager. Now after you have done that, just simply open your Microsoft Excel and try to see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we can also restart the Excel by simply restarting the Microsoft Excel. Some of like by simply restarting of the Microsoft Excel, an issue can be fixed or that issue can be fixed. It might be very simple, but it can help you. So once you're in Microsoft Excel, you open that and you are on your spreadsheet or your workbook, this one. So while you're on that, just simply close it and then open it again. So let me just quickly save this. And then close it, and then you have to simply open that again by opening Excel again, and then here you'll just find your spreadsheet or your workbook. And for the next method is we can also use the open and repair tool. So open Excel again. Now click on your workbook or your spreadsheet, then click on this file tab. Then you have to click on this open option in the left pane. Click on browse. Then you have to look for your spreadsheet. Click on this drop down arrow and click on this option open and repair. Now you'll find this option repair. Click on that. So open and repair, this is one of the great fix. This is a built-in tool for your Microsoft Excel. So this is just free. So once you have tried to repair your Microsoft Excel, then just simply try to see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we can also disable some Excel add-ins because in some cases, the add-ins can cause the error. So click on the File tab right here at the top and then scroll down and you'll find this More. Click on Options. Here in the left pane, you'll find add-ins. Then here, you'll find manage. Click on this drop-down arrow and choose Excel add-ins. Click on go. Then if these add-ins right here are checked, just simply disable that and click on OK and just try to see if the problem has been fixed. And for the next method is you can also clear the Windows clipboard history. So how can we do that? Press the Windows key and letter V together. Here you'll find clipboard. So just simply click on this clear all. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.